If you're homeless, just buy a house.
If you're in a coma, just wake up. If you're disabled, become enabled. If you have a heart attack, attack it back. If you have Alzheimer's, just forget it. If you're depressed, just be happy. If you have dementia, forget it. If you have anxiety, just calm down. If you're a villain, just be a hero. If you're